Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme P3 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Stores on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Realme, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then you need to hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's something pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. You can input this key by hitting Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers and hitting Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!